Enough.
Be talking to camera for a minute. Hello! I made it to Saskatoon, stayed at the Airbnb, which was nice. Got up early for me, and then unfortunately kind of rushed around to get everything done. Had to buy an ice scraper, get the client some gas. It was about -30 when I got up, and I was in a bit of a hurry. Didn't have an ice scraper, so I decided to try pour hot coffee on the windshield and then use the windshield wipers. Bad idea. Don't do that. Because obviously it froze right away. Froze instantly, and then made things more difficult. Necessitating me to stop at the gas station for an ice scraper. Now this is the oddest Greyhound affiliate bus I've ever seen. Kind of a small little shuttle bus. We're sort of crammed in here, but I made it. I'm on the bus to Calgary. So, retracing my steps as of yesterday. Here, have a look. Yes, it's very cold. It is cold. It's cold and dry.
I think it was called peyote.
Yeah, peyote is cactus.
Yeah, they would use those for searing.
Alright, signing off from the back of the bus, Rambler Rogue. Yes, it is.